Alright, so back at the farm, we need to get the combine set up for corn and get after it. So first thing I gotta do, I wake this little guy up. Hey, we're here. Are you ready to go? Alright, so the first thing that we gotta do is blow off all the beans from the head so we can take the head off and switch over to the corn head. And then we can put the bean head away for the winter. Alright, while Dad works on cleaning the rest of the head with the pressure washer, I'll go out to the shed and see what it's going to take to get the corn head out. It appears that it's going to be pretty easy. Pretty much just pull it straight out. Check the tires, make sure they're all good. Looks like it. Alright, I can just get the skid steer, hook onto the tongue, and pull her out the door. Back a little bit. Right in there somewhere. Alright, first thing we gotta do is close the rock trap. So if a rock enters the combine, it gets caught down here. Well, should I shut the rock trap before we forget?
Yeah. That'd be a good idea.
It does a good job at catching rocks, but it also does a great job at keeping the cobs in.
Glad we didn't damage it. Leaving it
So what we need to do is loosen up this chain, take out a half link, slide this gear over, move the chain to that gear, tighten it back up.
You need the half link?
I'm taking a half link out.
Oh, you put the half link in before?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't remember which way it went.
Yep. Alright. Adjust our sieves. And apparently dig some beans out too. Now, go all the way open with the clean grain sieve. All right. Alright, so we got the chain, we had to take a link out of it, and then we added this board in there because apparently that's been missing for a while. Got the gearboxes full of grease. All we gotta do is grease the combine and we're ready to go to the field. Now wash the windows. Shelling good. Looks like we're yielding pretty good too, judging by our visual yield monitor. Got a visitor with me. Hi, Trent. Yep, there goes Grandpa.
There he goes. He's supposed to be sent back.
Full moon tonight. Well, we are done for the day. Got the combine all set up and adjusted.
Hey,
Seems to be
what's
doing
the
very
lights
well.
Up there? Why is that up there turned on?
So we can see.
What? You turn that on?
Well, it sensed us. So it turned on by itself.
It turned on
Alright, so
by
tomorrow,
itself?
tomorrow we will continue on with corn. Thanks for watching.